Welcome to this brief tour of Picasa web albums, which is another free Google product that is really super resource for people who are working together to maintain a website. You access Picasa web albums by going in through your Google account, sign in to www.google.com, go to the right-hand portion of that page, put in your username and your Google password, and click the sign in button. That brings you to your Gmail inbox, and at the top left of that inbox you see a link for photos. Click on that, and that brings you to the Picasa web albums page. All of these icons here either are single pictures or collections of pictures that I have uploaded. I'm going to take you to a recent web album that I have organized, shots that I took at a recent yoga class that my wife was teaching. And notice that you have several links across the top of that web album. You can play a slideshow here on your own computer by clicking on this slideshow button. I'm not going to do that now, but you can try that later. You can share a particular photo by clicking on the photo and then clicking on the share button. Then fill in the email addresses to which you want to send this photo with a message if you wish, and you can also send yourself a copy of the same message. And when that's all accomplished, you click the send email button here, and off it goes. The picture goes off as an attachment to the email note. I'm going to discard this page right now and get back to where we were. Another wonderful feature of Picasa web albums is that it offers you a way to work with other people to select photos in a batch of photos that you might want to use for web pages. So you do that using the download link. You would go into an album and select a picture, as I have here, and then click on the download link. Just click download this photo, and now that has downloaded to my local folder for downloaded files, and I can edit it here on my local computer. You can also edit the photo in the albums. You might edit it in Picasa, and I'm going to click that now to show you how Picasa would be launched if it's already installed on your computer. It's asking me now whether I want to launch this application. I'll click yes. And then asking me, do I want to edit this particular image? Yes. Alright, so there it has opened in Picasa, which is a free photo web editing program. It's not only a good web editing program, but it's a good way to catalog the photographs on your own computer, and also in the Picasa web albums portion of your Google account, so that you can synchronize your own collection at your computer with those that are on the web, and you can back up your local pictures that way to Picasa web albums. It's a very useful feature. What are some of the things that you can do with Picasa? You can crop pictures, adjust their size. You can straighten them if the horizon is crooked. You can correct red eye. That's those annoying red eyes that happen with some flash pictures. You can adjust the contrast automatically. You can adjust the color of the photograph. You can touch up the photograph if there's some spots in it. You can put text over the photograph. You can adjust the background light of the photograph. I'm going to slide this slider and show you that. I hope you can see in the video window that picture is becoming much lighter now. It's applying fill light. So there are all kinds of things that you can do with this free editor called Picasa. To download Picasa, just Google Picasa, that's P-I-C-A-S-A, and that will take you to a download page where you can download Picasa to your local computer and install it. And that's all I'm going to say in this brief tour of Picasa web albums. Download Picasa and install it on your computer and explore the wonderful opportunities that that program gives to you. Thank you for this brief tour of Picasa web albums.